This video will show you how to use a TI Nspire to find the value of an integral. Here's a problem from the last PQ. It's the integral from 0 to pi of 4 sine x dx. By hand, we found the integral, negative 4 cosine x, and then we evaluated it between pi and 0, giving us a final answer of 8, or 8 square units under the curve. How do we do this using our Nspire? Well, here's our Nspire. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first, go to a work screen, and you're going to pick Menu, which is right here. Go to Calculus, and number 2 is the numerical integral. You want to choose that. Now notice they've given us a blank template of what an integral looks like, and we just need to plug in those specific values. So our question wanted us to go from 0 to pi. So let me choose here. I think I can just type in pi. And our function was 4 sine of x. And then don't forget we need that dx in there. And once we have that, we can press enter. And it evaluated at 8. Nice and easy. Another way to do it is I'm going to bring up the home screen and bring up a graph. I'm going to actually type our function 4 sine of x in here and press enter to graph it. Now we want to find the area under the curve, so if we go to Menu and Analyze Graph, here's where we would find zeros, maximums, minimums, intersections. But number 6 right here is the integral. And now it's asking for a lower bound. And I'm going to select that right here at 0. It's going to ask for the upper bound. Now you would need the axes aren't labeled here, but I do know that I want to put it at pi, which is right here where the graph hits the x-axis again, and it shades it, and it again finds that area of 8. So those are two different ways to use your Nspire to find the value of an integral.